Hey guys, Martin with Bitlocker Computers, and today we're going to take a look at how to know if your computer has been enabled with BitLocker or if it's disabled and if you need it. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright guys, so if you purchased a machine from us recently, both desktop and laptops are coming pre-enabled with something called BitLocker. It's an encryption built into Windows 10 or Windows 11, and they come like this from the actual Microsoft. What they do is when you do the basic setup on the machine and you put in that email address, it automatically grabs a recovery key. So it encrypts the actual machine. If something happens, let's say somebody steals the machine, for example, the only way to retrieve the data it's by getting that recovery key. So it's a 50-50 scenario. A lot of these encryptions are done or used by law firms, or maybe if you do trading and you travel a lot with a machine that can be lost and somebody wants to steal the information, then they won't be able to do it. So I'm going to show you guys how to check if you have BitLocker enabled if you purchased a machine recently from us. That way you know how to disable it if you want, or how to get your recovery key, per se, if you're going to keep it enabled. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright guys, so once you're in your Windows 10 or 11, this is Windows 11, you want to go and hit your Windows key on your keyboard, and then you can start searching. If you have the search bar right here on Windows 10, settings, and once you open it up, at the top, if you have Windows 10, you're going to have a bar to search. You click on that and you're going to type in encryption, and you're going to come up with this device encryption settings. When you click on that, you can see that the device, it's already encrypted. Like I said, this comes from the factory, so once you sign up with the Microsoft account, they will attach that recovery key onto this device. If we don't need any kind of encryption into your machine, this is not recommended at all. Basic password is more than enough. So we can go ahead and click on off to disable. It'll prompt you if you want to make sure, yes, and then you say turn off, and then you just give it a minute. While this is doing, they said you can continue to use your device. We recommend to stay away from the machine while this process is being done, just to avoid any kind of corruption along the way. So once that's finished, then the recovery key will disappear and everything will be decrypted. So once this is finished, we'll go back and show you how to check in your Microsoft account if you attached Microsoft account under the setup, and how to get that recovery key if so. So we'll be right back. Alright, we're going to check now if you have a if you already attached a Microsoft account. We're going to check what's your recovery key in case you need it for the future. If something goes wrong, you're going to get a blue screen and it's going to ask you device encryption, what's your recovery key, please enter the digits. So basically we want to go to your preferred web browser. I'm just going to use Firefox, and I'm going to go into a private window just to avoid all kinds of stuff being saved. But basically you go to office.com, and we're gonna log in with the email address that you used during the setup. So in this case, I'm gonna do my email real quick, put in the password, say no. So once you're in your Microsoft account, you're gonna go right here on the top right corner, click on that on your account, and then you're going to go to view account. Once you are here, you're going to have devices, and you can see the name of the machines. This will show the current computer. If you click on that, it will give you right here view recovery key for BitLocker, and once you click on it, it's going to give you a number like this. It's a bit different, but it's pretty much what you're looking for. That's just to make a backup. Like I said, if you need to go back, if something happens, you put in that recovery key on it, and you'll be able to enter into your operating system just like it was before. So that's pretty much how to check it out. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Now, like I said, if you don't need BitLocker enabled on your machine, make sure when you purchase a machine from us, whether it's a desktop or laptop, to check on this and disable it if you don't need it. just for critical purposes if something goes wrong. So again, guys, if you guys have any questions, leave your comments down below or give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you for watching.